right now we are preparing the nasi goreng, which is an Indonesian dish. Are you together? So it is a kind of rice whereby you use chicken. You can also use bacon and soy sauce, and then you can use ginger, garlic, and ginger, garlic together with the cinnamon, any other spice that you would like to use. But the most ingredient we have to use the chicken and bacon, ginger and garlic and pilau masala. Are we together? So after now cooking your chicken, you put them into, you fry them. After frying your chicken, this is how you go about it. You fry your chicken. Bring the meat. We have already kept the ginger and garlic together with the onion. Bring pilau masala. Just open it and bring a spoon. Just need to use like a tablespoon. This is what you use. After putting pilau masala, you bring rice. Have you washed your rice? Hurry up. Does it have water? Can you fetch it? Don't pour it. Put it with the water. Mix it more again. Hurry up, Oscar. Start the So after you are done, bring water, bring that hot water. Where is the jug that you use? Salt, you must put some salt. Okay, just this one. But remember we have some sauce here. Let's use chicken sauce. Bring the jug. Bring the jug. We use this chicken sauce. So we are using the chicken sauce that is available. Not the chicken sauce, but the stock. Are we together? Yes. It's not sauce, but the stock. So you put your stock. You can add more water. If the stock is not enough, use the that thing. Enough water. So after that, you leave it to boil. After it starts boiling, you simmer all together. Bring soy sauce. Okay. So now you can until it gives us the right color that you want. Enough. You can add more. Now we leave it. When it starts boiling, we simmer. Are we together? Add some heat. It's okay. Let it boil.